So here today I'm going to introduce to you the AG-60 all new. 3 things to remember about this tool. What's cool about this tool? It's the most powerful, smartest, and safest grinder that we have ever come up with, ever produced. What I mean by that, as far as powerful, we challenge ourselves to put the power of a 36-volt angle grinder into the Neuron all-in-one 22-volt platform. So much like the old dead man switch of the past, mechanical, this is now the first touch-activated dead man switch. So my hand has to be on the tool. I can turn it on. When my hand comes off, it shuts down, the brake is applied, and sends the excess energy back to the battery. We have gyros inside this tool and predictive analytics that are always monitoring this tool. So as long as you're in your workspace, you're okay. But if you go out of your workspace in a quick motion, anywhere around the tool, it will shut off and the brake will apply. Let me demonstrate. It shuts off and applies the brake. Now, let's demo it. It's the AG-60 22 available in 5-inch and 6-inch.